If my client forgets a key answer during the course of trial when she's on the witness stand being asked questions, can she go back on the witness stand days later to now give the answer? You want to know the answer to the question? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is no, she cannot get back on the witness stand to now conveniently remember the question. Doing that would be not only awkward, but it would be highly suspect. Why? Because now all of a sudden, after she's had time to re-review things, to go through her records, to remember things after talking to people, now all of a sudden she remembers the question. But days earlier when she was being cross-examined by the defense attorney, she happened to have forgotten the answer? No, that's not going to fly. She's not going to be able to get back up on the witness stand. First of all, the judge is not going to allow her to get on the witness stand so that I can ask the question that the defense lawyer asked a few days earlier. That's not going to happen. The defense lawyer is going to object. The judge is going to agree with him. Why? Because her testimony is finished. Now, she could turn around and say, listen, I totally forgot. I don't remember. I'm sorry. I did remember it when I gave pretrial testimony a year earlier. And if you want, you can go back and check that testimony. But as I'm sitting here in court answering your questions, I don't remember. Now we can actually pull out the transcript of the questions that she was asked and the answers that she gave during her pretrial question and answer session known as a deposition. I have the opportunity when I'm calling my next witness. Instead of calling a witness, I can actually pull out that transcript and now read the question and the answer to the jury so that they see she knew the answer to the question a while ago, but just so happened she forgot it now. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases, these accident cases, and these wrongful death cases here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.